In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can start your dropshipping journey through this absolutely immaculate and amazing e-commerce software. So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Start Free Trial, and it's going to take you into the store creation. Now, once you go into the store creation, it's going to tell you to get started, and it's going to ask you a few questions where it's going to say, which of these best describes you. You could go with I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to click an online store and click on next.
Guys, the Shopify has updated the top selling products in particular niches according to their internal information. As you can see over here, one of the niches is office products, and they pull up the Google Trends chart. As you can see over here, the recent trending around the office supplies has bounced from the recent lows and is going towards recent highs. If you scroll down, we're gonna see the top dropshipping products to sell according to Shopify is the products that people created stores on the platform and sold these products, right? And this is why Shopify is having the data and the information from it. As you can see over here, we have a printer paper, we have notepads, we have a heavy duty packaging tape, we have ink cartridges, we have file folders, gel pens, bubble wrap. We also have mechanical pencils, leather desk pads, staplers, moving boxes, ergonomic mouse pads, dry erase markers. So guys, all these are small things. The best thing is that if you find a local businesses that have a bunch of stuff, bunch of offices, bunch of people working for them, they can simply make a huge order. They can order 1,000 packages of printing paper. They can order 1,000 pens. They can order 1,000 bubble wraps, right? They can make a one-time big order, right? Every quarter. Just think about these people can be placing these huge orders 3 times a year. So this is why you want to pay very close attention to, and you're going to sell most likely this in the local market. Again, you can still dropship in the local market. No one said that you have to do it internationally or worldwide, right? It will be much easier. The second category also over here recommended from Shopify is the tools and the home improvement niche. Considering now spring is coming around the corner, you are going to target people with a big front or backyards, people living in the houses, right? It is less likelihood to target people living in the apartments or big cities, which is very good, guys. This means that the shipping times will be good. There is no congestions, traffic, gonna be any issue with the delivery process. Let's see the list of the home improvement niche and what you should probably consider selling. So we're having outdoor smart plugs, we have a video doorbells, motion sensors, magnetic screen doors, extension cords, shelves, shoe storage, patio umbrella lights, lawn chairs. There are some items over here that you can actually sell inside your place. If you live in the city, you can actually sell the video doorbells. I can see you can sell the motion sensors. You can do that as well. You can actually place some of these on your car as well. Also, you can sell shelves, especially if you just move in, live in a small space, right? You want to make sure that you store your clothes or your shoes in a smart way. Majority of these, like we saw, are for outdoor. We saw the lawn chairs, right? We saw the camping gear, drill brush power scrubber, silicone drain protectors, folding step ladder, solar outdoor lights. It's good. I think you have some chances if you really want to target the local market in the city. There are options for it as well. The next niche is very, very particular. I think there's a pretty saturated market, but once in a while there are new products that are coming with the new models of the phones, the new iPhone, the new Samsung phone, there are new screen protectors, there are new phone accessories. So let's see what kind of accessories are currently hot and recommended from Shopify. According to Shopify, we have to pay attention to the ring lights, to USB-C power adapters, considering the new iPhone with a new charger again, and the new USB-C port, right? Screen protectors with a new phone again. There is a new screen protector coming. Waterproof cases. People who are taking their phone and going to water sports or simply going to the water park. next couple of months, the water parks will be open, so this is why you should consider this one. Portable chargers, this is important and it's good. I don't know why the portable batteries are not here, but I think this is something very very important. Oh, we have a wireless charging stations. Yeah, this is something also very very similar. Car chargers, right? If the people doesn't have a newer car model, right, they don't have the chargers inside the car, they have to buy an adapter, they have to adjust the whole equipment inside the car so they will be able to charge the phone and use the phone. Some of the cars you cannot even play music from the phone, which is crazy. They also suggesting phone mounts, selfie sticks, phone grips. I think all these items are good because they're small, usually very cheap, and people are not so picky. I mean, if they order the phone grip, if they order case or protector, they're not gonna return it. It's like less likely to do so because it's so much hassle for nothing. Like how much do you think it's gonna cost like them, like 5, 10, $20? Nobody will have time to essentially go and ship back or ask for refund. Again, the margin is not so high because the products are cheap. We need to have a large turnover, but again, it's a popular niche. Everyone is on their phone, like spending more and more time. So I think it's interesting topic, interesting niche. The next category recommended from Shopify is the car accessories. I haven't had any experience with it. As we can see, we have a recent dip over here. I would say a major dip at the end of 2023. The car market fell dramatically. The used car market fell dramatically. The car parts fell dramatically, with the probably highest level of inflation contribute to this. But if you look at the top dropshipping products to sell in the car accessory niche, right? We have a windshield sunshades. This is easy product. How this foldable, like a harmonica, shield which protects the dashboard from cracking or fading from the sun. Portable vacuum cleaners. This is also a very good idea. We have wiper blades, you have cleaning gels, microfiber cleaning clothes, window shades, floor mats, device holders. I'm surprised that there is no air pump. This electric air pump. I personally bought one for myself, so I'm not I'm not seeing it here. There's the leather conditioner, steering wheel covers, car trash cans, device holders. I think very very interesting is that all these products are things that people will buy most likely, and they will store them inside the cars. So you want to make sure that you do a lot of upsell on this, because once when they buy some of these things, they're gonna leave them in the car and they're gonna forget about it unless they are in a situation they're gonna use it, right? So for example, when you get the leather conditioner, we're gonna polish the seats once per year probably, and then you're gonna throw the conditioner somewhere at the back and or in the front compartment, and then you're gonna forget about it. So this is why, guys, if you're selling this type of products, you want to make sure that your upsell strategy works and it's very good. You want to make sure that you have them buying 3, 4, 5 different items that they can use in their car, right? So if somebody gets the steering wheel covers, you can get them to buy the car trash cans. You can get them, because these people are having old cars, right? If you have a brand new car, why would you buy a steering wheel cover? You have a nice, probably leather stitched steering wheel. Why would you cover it? Doesn't make sense. And if you have a newer car, you're not gonna need I don't know, floor mats. You're not gonna need wiper blades. You're not gonna need portable vacuum cleaners. These people bought a new car, they have the money, they're gonna just go to the place where they can actually get the car wash and inside outside. So you want to make sure you target the right people, and when you target the right people, you structure your upsell strategy so you can sell these people more. It will make the math much easier, so you can profit much more from it.
So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on start free trial. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see all these things, different products to work with, different products to choose from, and, really fun stuff that you can add for your design. So it's all these things that are going to allow you to start working with your dropshipping maneuvers. So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this. Let's go with a Night Galaxy projector. Once we go with that, you're going to go with this, okay? It's a DIY stainless steel flask. And then let's go with some heated men's puffer jackets. So I'm going to load all three of these in. And once we load all three of these in, we're going to scroll down here. And as you scroll down, it's going to, take you into loading. Every single SEO app gives you different features and different things to work with. So I'm going to write SEO right here, and I'm going to search that up. Now, once you search SEO up, it's going to give you, Tiny SEO, Booster SEO, Tapit SEO. Now, all of these work pretty well, but in my opinion, Booster SEO is the best. Obviously, Tapita and Tiny is specifically made for, your Shopify. I would also go with Tapita because there's no plan for Tapita. And once everything is done, I'm going to add my recommended listing pricings. And once all of that is done, you're going to select the store to ship to, the place where the orders are essentially going to go. And once all of that is done, you're going to start drop shipping your products. And once you drop ship your products, all those will appear in your product section over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on add apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. Once you search up CJ, it's going to bring you here. Now, once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading some application, which will basically allow you to, start your dropshipping. So in my opinion, I would always suggest users to go with some application like CJ Dropshipping or maybe Spocket or Deezers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ Dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on Add Apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. To do that, you're going to click on Continue. Now, once you click on Continue, it's going to start loading you in. And once it starts loading you in, it brings you here to a user questionnaire where it says, which platform are you running your store on now, which is obviously Shopify. I'm going to choose how many orders I process and what categories do I work in. And once we do that, we're going to submit things and it's going to load us here where it says authorization is now a success. So once your authorization is a success, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into your store over here. And once you add your password, you're simply going to click on create Shopify account. Now, once you're creating your Shopify account, it's going to ask you for your password again. So you're going to make sure to reconfirm it and reassure it. And once you reassure your password, what's going to happen from there is it's going to directly log you in. So when it logs you in, let me show you what the interface looks like. So once you come over here, it starts loading and the screen starts loading. And what happens from there is it's going to bring you to building your store. So once it brings you to building your store, what's going to happen from there is you are going to be taken into this section, which is basically your basic dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading some application, which will basically allow you to, start your drop shipping. So in my opinion, I would always suggest users to go with some application like CJ Dropshipping or maybe Spocket or Deezers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ Dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on Add Apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. And once all of that is done, you're pretty much good to go. So you're just going to wait for it to, process your authorization. And that's pretty much about it. So once your authorization is processed, as I stated, you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to ask you to enter your store name. Now, in the case that it says that no data is entered on your store, you're simply going to go ahead and click on my CJ. And once you click on my CJ, it's going to take you into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Now, once you go into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard over there, it's going to load you into this section. And once you're loaded into this section, what's going to happen is you're going to scroll down where it says store authorization. You're going to click on this and you're going to click on Shopify. And once you click on Shopify, it's going to open things up over here. And as you can see, my store is properly integrated. So now it's going to tell me that my store is good to go. So once you have chosen your store, I'm just gonna get out of this. Obviously, Tapita and Tiny is specifically made for your Shopify. I would also go with Tapita because there's no plan for Tapita. It's totally free, so that's why I like Tapita as well. But yeah, just get all those things, click on install app, and start doing your optimization. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you.
You know what this means, right? All my UK friends now can be looking into capitalizing on some dropshipping seeds, tools, and plans for gardening. Like, we just got like a research for dropshipping, right? Essentially, just with one prompt. How amazing Bart is, right? In comparison with ChatGPT. Okay, trending products. Once you choose the platform, explore sustainable and eco-friendly products, reusable water bottles, bamboo utensils, upcycled clothing. Okay, personalized items. So we got one recommendation, which is very generic, obviously for eBay, and it gave us a recommendation for handcraft or something that is customizable, that is like perfect for Etsy, right? This particular example over here, you can earn a commission with TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can simply link up products from other people's stores. For example, you're making content about, let's say, running or gym, right? And there are people who are selling gym equipment or selling gym clothes or gym supplements, right? And you can essentially go and under your videos, you can tag their products. You can put their products into your account. So when people shop from your account, you can simply earn commission. So let's see the UK. The cost of living in UK is facing a cost of living crisis with rising prices of wood. So everything is a problems over here, guys. You need to think about solutions that you can provide or turn into a business ideas. We got one recommendation, which is very generic, obviously for eBay, and it gave us a recommendation for handcraft or something that is customizable, that is like perfect for Etsy, right? As you can see, jewelries with custom engraving, phone cases, printed photos, pet accessories. Okay, comfort and wellness products, candles, diffusers, blankets, cushions. Interesting. Tech accessories, wireless chargers, phone stands, portable speakers. I want to go one step ahead and make things a little more interesting.